And just like that, our second annual live forum is done and dusted. Our biggest event of the year brings together Fora Advisors, HQ members, and some of our favorite travel partners for 3 days of workshops, networking, and, of course, cocktails. But don't just take our word for it. In the words of Fora Advisor Meredith Alexander, it was such an excellent event, and I'm thrilled to have made the trip to join. Loved meeting many of my fellow advisors IRL, and I learned so much. Here's a recap of Live Forum 2023 by the numbers. Over the span of 3 days, there were a total of 2,160 meetings. Yes, really. 106 Fora advisors hailed from 5 countries. They connected with 53 travel partners from brands like the Four Seasons, Belmond, Virgin Voyages, and Tripiani, to name a few. Special shout out to the ultra-stylish 9 Orchard Hotel, which served as our home base in the city that never sleeps. Advisors participated in 17 workshops and 6 speaking sessions, which covered everything from mastering group bookings to transforming IRL experiences into marketing collateral, to food and travel and colonics. If you know, you know. And the party continued well into the evenings. Our partners hosted 13 dinners around the city, from Uptown at Alma, New York to Tribeca at the Greenwich Hotel. We averaged 7 Coke Zeros a day, and 93% of our Fora advisors lost their voices by the end of the event. Fora HQ team members slept an average of 11.5 hours a night the following weekend. And we're already thinking about next year. Live Forum 2024, we're ready for you.